This is the official water bottle of the summer. Not only do you drink out of it, but when you tap the button, you have a high-quality portable misting machine so you can cool down instantly at the beach, sporting events, amusement parks, during workouts, and more.
Number 1 Amazon new releases. This outdoor cloud couch has hidden storage inside for its cushions and many other patio items. Its smart sectional design has multiple different layout possibilities, plus its cushions and accessories are waterproof and made with maximum comfort in mind.
Amazon Find, if you work from home on a laptop, this screen extender is a must-have. It's easy to set up, works great, and I love that it's portable.
Amazon summer favorite. This 2-in-1 bench is durable, weather resistant, and converts into a table so you can enjoy your meals outside all summer long. We own 2 benches and my kids love pushing them together to create a full picnic table. They are versatile, can be configured in so many different ways, and I love that they allow our family to enjoy more time outdoors. These Amazon chairs are fully collapsible with a retractable ottoman, a reclining backrest, and a built-in cup holder so you can unwind with your favorite drink for ultimate relaxation. It's made of high-quality anti-crack and anti-fade material so you can enjoy your chairs for years to come. Linking them for you now. Have a great day.